This year's recipient is Dr. James Frankish. Regrettably, Dr. Frankish is not well enough to join us tonight. He sincerely sends his regrets and extends his heartfelt appreciation for this award. We do not have a video of Dr. Frankish's accomplishments, but rather, it is my pleasure to share a little more about Dr. James Frankish and why he is the recipient of the Faculty Community Service Award. James is a respected health promotion researcher who focuses on vulnerable populations, including those who are homeless. He is the initiator of some innovative programs, one of which involved training street-involved youth as peer health educators. At UBC, he established the Partnerships in Community Health Research Program, which brought community learners to the university. This approach allows for the exploration of diverse perspectives, cross-cultural learning, and the addressing of power imbalance, and is the epitome of participatory, community-based research in action. Dr. Frankish is a long-standing board member of the Lookout Emergency Aid Society, which provides housing and support to vulnerable community members with low or no income, and he has also served with the Provost Advisory Group on the Downtown East Side, the Vancouver Street to Home Foundation, the Vancouver Homeless Count, and the Vancouver Crisis Center. In 2013, Dr. Frankish received the BC Health Association Legacy Award for a major study he co-led to address different models of supportive housing for people living with mental illness and addiction. The same year, Vancouver Mayor Gregor Robertson invited Dr. Frankish to participate on the Mayor's Task Force on Mental Health and Addictions. Known for his humor, kindness, and compassion, Dr. Frankish also runs a children's book collection program for distribution to inner-city schools and remote First Nations communities. The program has distributed in excess of 7,000 books. He's also known to visit hospitalized patients and people in shelters with his registered therapy dog, Lola. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to invite Professor Chris Lovato, co-director at UBC's School of Population and Public Health, to accept this award on behalf of Dr. James Frankish.
Dr. Frankish sends his humble thanks to you for this honor. I really wish he could be here tonight. I know he would be very happy. And I've known him as a friend and a colleague for over 20 years, and I can tell you, Jim is a very special person and one of the most giving individuals I've ever met. He deserves this award. One thing Jim is known for is his love for photography. And as he's traveled throughout the world, he's captured many places and moments that now hang on the office walls and meeting spaces throughout our school. As is Jim's makeup, he's found a way to use his personal passion for photography to give back to the most vulnerable amongst us. Over the years, he spent countless hours on Christmas Day taking photos of those in shelters, then going back to give them printed versions so they could have a memory or send a photo to a loved one. He often has his therapy dog Lola in tow to provide some pet therapy to the various services and care facilities he visits. The success and character of his former students demonstrate the impact he has had. One of his graduate students, Jason Tunde Viviana, who is now working in youth and gender equality at the United Nations, had this to say about Jim. I feel very fortunate to have had the opportunity to work closely with Jim during my time at UBC. He's had a significant impact on my values and my ideals. Working with Jim solidified my determination and commitment to focus my career on issues of health inequity, social justice, and community development. I know that Dr. Frankish has also had a similar impact on many other students, colleagues, and collaborators. Jason goes on to say, the scope of Jim's contribution to the health and well-being of the people of British Columbia is difficult to measure because it ripples out exponentially from all the individuals he's inspired, from all the projects he has led, and all the community enterprises he has initiated and supported. Jimmy, this one's for you.